There's one more thing I want to share with you that's been so helpful to me. And this is something you'll have to study out yourself with the numerology and the letters of God and all that. But when we are going through difficult times, anxious times, frightening times, fearful times, the world is going crazy and we're not sure where we fit in it right now in some areas. A way to calm yourself down immediately is this breathing pattern that I've learned. It's a Chedvah, I think it's called, Jewish breathing pattern based on the numbers of God's, the Shema and other things of God is one. It's all breathing about God. And it's a numerical pattern. And I want to share it with you. We start out, it's a fourfold. We inhale, hold, exhale, hold, and rest actually. And the number pattern goes 8, 4, 6, 5. And so when we go through this, now a big thing about the numbers and focusing is so that we can take our mind off of our problems and focus on something else. And so we're going to do that and focus on the Lord and His goodness as we do this. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold. Rest. 6, 5. So inhaling God's word, God's goodness, God's wholeness into our lives. Hold as it comes into our lives. On the way 6, out. It's working its way through our bodies, our solar plexus, our lives. And 5 is rest, where we rest and get it ready to go out into the world. So we're bringing in God's goodness. Hold, exhale for 6, out 5. So you start doing this without even really thinking, but just to get your mind off of whatever anxiety, problem, difficulty, your heart is racing, you just can't figure out the answer right now. So stop. Inhale. Hold. Rest. And it doesn't have to be exact. It's just a number pattern that you're saying. 8, 4, 6, 5. 8, 4, 6, 5. And as you're doing this, you find your mind thinking then on the numbers, on the goodness of God, on being filled with His goodness, and the problems go away for now. And in the long run, because you're breathing in God's goodness, this is God's crown, wisdom, knowledge, understanding, coming into you through the 4 stages of the breath. And so you believe that the goodness of God, the wisdom of God, the understanding, the highest order of God is coming into you, and it will calm you down.